I'm sure abanye beni bayazi lento engizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Ngiyayazi i-JDL, yabo. Abangayazi i-JDL stands for Gauteng Development League. Gauteng Development League, yabo. I-Gauteng Development League ilapho khona kuthuthukiswa khona ibhola labafana abancane. It is where they promote youth football, yabo, to be more developed. Abadlali abancane khona bebonwa khona ukuthi hayi lo kumele aye phezulu ku-first team, yabo. So i-server as a path to success, yabo, i-JDL. There are many teams that plays in JDL. Yabo, there are many big teams adlala ku-JDL, ama-team like ama-youth teams ku-JDL. I-focus ye-JDL ukuprioritize ama-young players abe proper developed for the big stages, yabo, proper developed. I-JDL iqala under 13, is it under 15, is it under 17 if I'm not mistaken, must is it under 19, yabo, from under 13 to under 19, yabo. There are different age groups. Khona futhi ne-JDL emantombazana, I think under 14 and under 19. Maybe I may be wrong, but i-JDL is a Gauteng kuphela. I-JDL, there is no other development leagues in the country except Gauteng. There are many teams in the PSL, 16 teams, and there are other teams in the Motsepe Foundation, yabo, in NFD, and these teams come from 9 provinces. And I fail to understand why does ISAFA continue not to fund other 9 provinces, other 8 provinces, but there are 9 provinces. I don't understand why ISAFA failed to fund the other 8 provinces. Because I can understand why JDL is funded. Because if you can see, Gauteng is a state. This is the economical hub. Like, investors, yabo, investors, they can come and fund the Bolela se Gauteng because there are many teams there. Yabo, are professional, Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, and Orlando Pirates. But I fail to understand why do these investors fail to fund Amatemanjengo, Amazulu. Amazulu is a professional club that plays in the PSL. They played in Champions League. I think 2 years ago they played in Champions League. Why those investors are failing to fund those teams? Because if you can see, HADL, it is a proper development league. If these 8 provinces have a proper development league, as a nation, we can achieve more. We can achieve more. Because if you see, KZN, let me use KZN as an example. We have Amazulu, we have Riley M, we have Richards Bay FC, we have Golden Arrows, we have Durban FC, which was Maritzburg United, we have Utongati FC. There are many teams here in KZN, but there is no developmental league like JDL. There's supposed to be a developmental league like JDL because there are many young players who don't get the opportunity to play for their favorite teams in the PSL because they don't get the chance to play. They only play in tournaments. That's the only way they get scouted. When they get scouted, they go to those teams. For an example, if a young player, let's say I'm 15 years old, and I play in a tournament, Langasikai, and there are scouts there from Amazulu, and they see me playing and I play good, they will take me to Amazulu and play for Amazulu. And when I play for Amazulu, me, 15 years old, I'll play for the DSTV Diski Challenge, which is not good, which is not fair. Because you cannot take a young player and put them in the DSTV Diski Challenge. That league is for the reserve teams. It is not for developmental. It is for the reserve teams to play there. I don't understand why ISAFA, maybe na PSL, ingayilungisi le nkinga le. I fail to understand why. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I need to go back and look for more. Because if you can see JDL as a whole, JDL njobe structured kanje, produce amatalent amaningi. Mfukeng wayidlala kuyona JDL. Letlhago wayidlala kuyona JDL. Mabhena babedlala khona lapha. All these young players abadlala ku PSL right now, they come from this Gauteng Developmental League. Can you imagine how many young players we can find from other developmental leagues if there are any development, if if there are to be developmental leagues in other provinces, can you imagine how many young players we can find? There are many talented young players across South Africa, but we cannot see those talented young players. We cannot see them. We only see them playing in the classes. Sibabona ko kasi bedlala ikasi, baphelele ikasi. Asibaboni bephophela beya phezulu, because if you want to go to our trials right now, they ask you to pay money. KZN Academy, yabo, all these academies, they want you to pay money. I'm not saying KZN Academy ikhokisa abantu, but I'm just saying they want you to pay money to go there and do trials. There are many young players who are very, very, very skillful, abalazi ibhola, but abayitholi chance ukuthi badlale ibhola, because many provinces awekho funded by uSAFA ukuthi uSAFA include amanye ama province ukuthi abe ne structure njenge JDL, yabo. Yeah, so le issue le mele ilungiswe ngempela. uSAFA kumele azame ukuyilungisa le issue le, yabo. Kumele sibe nawo ama developmental leagues in other provinces. We must have developmental leagues in other provinces. We cannot rely on the Gauteng developmental league to boost our league, our professional league, which is Betway Premiership. Because if you see right now, the best young players, they come from EJDL, like I said earlier. So we cannot rely on EJDL. Why don't we get amanyama provinces to produce? Why iSAFA ifela ukinstilla lento, yabo? Angazi ngempela, maybe mhlambe nje, but ke sabu isikhulume ngayo lento le, yabo. Wena ongakwenza ungangilayikhela lapho ungisubscribele, we can still talk about this, yabo. Muwathanda ama videos akhuluma ibhola la South Africa, yeah, ungangilayikhela but ungisubscribele.